Investing in dividend-paying stocks can be an excellent way to earn passive income. Dividends are regular payments made by companies to their shareholders, usually on a quarterly basis. By investing in dividend-paying stocks, you can earn regular income without having to sell your shares. With the right approach, you can build a portfolio of dividend-paying stocks that generates a steady stream of income over the long term. By following these tips and tricks, you can maximize your returns and make the most of this lucrative investment strategy. Here are some tips and tricks to help you choose and manage dividend-paying stocks. 1. Look for stable companies. Look for companies that have a long track record of stability and consistent earnings. These companies are more likely to maintain their dividend payments even during economic downturns. 2. Check the dividend yield. The dividend yield is the percentage of the stock price that is paid out in dividends. Look for companies with a high dividend yield, but be cautious of companies with a yield that is too high, as this may indicate an unsustainable dividend payout. 3. Examine the dividend payout ratio. The dividend payout ratio is the percentage of earnings that is paid out in dividends. A high payout ratio can indicate that a company is paying out more in dividends than it can afford, which may not be sustainable in the long run. 4. Look for dividend growth. Companies that consistently increase their dividend payments over time can be a good indicator of financial strength and stability. 5. Diversify your portfolio. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Diversify your portfolio by investing in different companies and sectors to spread your risk. 6. Consider dividend reinvestment. Reinvesting your dividends can compound your returns over time, as you earn returns not only on your original investment, but also on the dividends you've reinvested. 7. Monitor your investments. Keep an eye on your dividend-paying stocks and their performance. Make adjustments to your portfolio as needed based on market trends, changes in the company's financials, and other factors. 8. Be aware of taxes. Dividend income is generally taxed at a lower rate than other types of income, but it's still important to understand how taxes will affect your investment returns. 9. Be patient. Investing in dividend-paying stocks is a long-term strategy, and it may take time to see significant returns. Stick to your investment plan and be patient as you wait for your investments to grow. 10. Consult a financial advisor. If you're unsure about which dividend-paying stocks to invest in or how to manage your portfolio, consider working with a financial advisor who can provide guidance and advice based on your individual financial situation and goals. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.